Hello, my beautiful people. Happy Sunday to you all. Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you are doing great. Hope all is well. Ìkan tó bá máa dálẹ̀, apáwó ò mà lè kà. What money will cost in life? Money. Money has power. Money has power. So I have a just story to tell you today, my beautiful people. Please, it's Lady J of Africa. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel before, may God bless you. May God make a way for you when there is no way. I love you guys, my lovely ones. Happy Sunday once again. Today, I'm going to tell you about story of a woman that slept with a mad man, all because of money. So this woman happened to be a beautiful and lovely woman like that. She's rich, or not that maybe she's not rich. She has money. She's okay. She have her own car. She have her own apartment. She have a business that she's doing, which she's doing well. Someone that can even give 100,000 to someone, 200,000 to someone that will not even feel it. That is the kind of woman she is. But she was just like, she's not comfortable with the little that she have. She wants to be rich. She wants to be big. She wants to be doing what her mate is doing. You see, in life, one thing I want us to know that in any condition you find yourself, appreciate God. Always give glory to God. Money is not everything. We know money is very good. Money can give you whatever you want in life. But once you are not satisfied with the little one you have, you will have problem. So for you not to have problem, for me not to have problem just because of money, that is why I want to tell you this short story. As you listen to my story, God bless you. And if you love this video, please, I want you to share the video, subscribe to my YouTube, and leave your own comment. Let me see how it goes. So this woman happened to be someone that has a little, not too much, but she's okay on her own. But she didn't satisfy. She always look, up. She want to be up. She don't want to be the way where God puts her. Do you know what she do? Now she carry herself, go meet all those afar. When she can't reach her far place, now she afar saying, God never bless her reach the way she want. She won't make God bless her. She won't do money ritual. She won't get the money. She won't make people know her. And the afar look and say, my daughter, but you are okay like this now. God already bless you. They okay. He say no, he no want just day like this. He want rich more. He won't get this money. He won't get the way the other people they get. He won't become rich. He won't become big. He won't become famous. He won't make the whole world know her. Then say no Dangote and not $10 now. So he want her. And this Baba's okay. No worry. Problem not there. This money you go get her. And this net the afar tell us okay. You know what you go do? Go bring well, konga, well water, beach, omi okun water, and omi adagun. How can I say omi adagun? You know, there is maybe like in village, you just see that some place is not river. It will just look like a dirty place. You will see that water is coming out from ground. That is what they call omi adagun in Yoruba. That is what the Alpha asked this woman to go and bring. This woman was suffering, walking around. Before I can be able to get well, that is conga, it's difficult to do like this. And this man gave him just 7 days to get this whole water. Before I can be able to get beach water, when she get there, when she want to take it, they will not allow, boys will be there, they not go gree make she take the water. And so they come they stop and they not let her take the water. She can't do the face trouble anyway. Where she even believe say the water dey easy, before 3 days I go take the water. She can't see say to take the water safe, no dey easy, e suffer. The last water, e don't even carry well water, e don't carry beach water, e can't remain this omi adagun. He don't send everybody, don't pay money to get on this omi adagun. He don't send, that is that water where they come out for ground. Only he not can see this water carry. Now she come dey beg people, dey give people money. Na the last day na e come remain. The Alfa tell am say if 7 days reach, you no bring the whole water, the 3 water reach here, you go die. So e come dey try all her possible best to get the water. Na one of her, the girls wey dey help for area come help her see the water. Where she come see the water put, e come be where mad man dey stay. The madman no let am carry the water. You know wetin dis woman come go do? E come go dress like mad woman for midnight. I wan just cut the story short but I want to bring a topic out of it. That is why I'm calling. So she come dress like a mad woman. She come go dey dance for the man. The man come say, this one na mad woman wey dey dance. And the man come pepper am, carry am enter. He sleep with the woman just because of say why he wan become rich. Madman don come sleep with the woman just because of this money aspect. So at the end of the day, he get the water. When she come get the water, reach the Alfa place. The Alfa come put prayer for the water, do everything. The Alfa come give am the water, say, see am, this water you go use am go baff for midnight, 12 o'clock. Nobody must see you. If anybody see you, you go run mad. And this woman carry water, carry am. She reach 12 o'clock midnight, as the Baba say make e do. Carry the water go Koro, where e wan for go baff. As e just dey say make carry the water put for body like this, na so one vigilante, that is what Yoruba used to call it. Àwọn ọlọ́dẹ. So we broke, you call it vigilant. Na so they take come outside, they come hold the woman. Na the woman run, come escape. As he escape, na he run, come go meet the Alfa. When they come reach Alfa place, come dey beg Alfa, say, Alfa, abeg no let me run mad na. They don't see me for where I dey baff. See wetin happen, see wetin. Na the Alfa say, they see you where you dey baff. 3 days to this time, you go run mad. You know wetin you go do? All your property wey you don get, both your car, both all those your wig, fine wig, wey worth 1 million euro, 1 million naira, wey worth 300,000, go sell everything. So you go come remain all those cut and sew wey we dey sew 100 naira, 200, all those cut and sew, no dey. But all your expensive cloth, all your expensive gold, your car, everything wey you get, you need to go sell am. Then after you don sell am, you come carry the money, you carry am come, I will come burn the whole money. Na the money I will come burn, I will come use am do prayer, put for something for you, you go chop am. Na the girl say, na the Alfa tell am say, if you no sell your property, na die na you do. True, this lady come true go carry all her property, both her car, everything wey she get for shop, everything wey she get for her life, all the whole money wey she dey her bank account, she go withdraw am. Because why? She no wan run mad. Don carry the money go give Alfa. Na Alfa come true do the thing for am. He come give am chop, say you no go run mad again. Na the Alfa come tell am say, come, before you no go run mad again, as you no go run mad again now, but e get another thing wey I wan make you, wey I go do for you, wey you take make money for life. You never still get sense. Come still tell the Alfa say, okay, yeah. Na this Alfa come carry am go hospital. They make am go see people wey e mate, wey dem even better pass am, wey dem even good pass am, wey dem get money, wey dem get everything. The kind position wey dem dey, their leg dey hang for up, their hand dey hang for up. They no fit eat. They even dey beg them just to carry one slice of spoon akamu put for their mouth. They no fit. Those was the rich people. They no fit eat. They no fit. You will see some people wey be say they even don't get this money pass the way we no expect am. All of them, then they where therefore they look people, mad people. So my dear sisters and brothers, all the superstition of this story na be say anything wey we get for life, make we dey manage am. Any condition where you find yourself, manage am. This thing wey I dey talk so, if e be say you get 100 naira, and that 100 naira na be the thing wey you get, and that 100 naira you dey feed yourself inside, you dey fit dey close yourself, you dey fit dey okay, appreciate am. Because why? He said wey that woman go dey content with the little one wey she get. She sell all the one wey she get out just because say she wan become rich. E come turn to person wey be say she no come get anything again. She come start from hustle continue. So God no go let us see that one. So if na little thing wey you get, no dey copy person. No dey say because of this person e get money, I no get, I wan go do ritual. Money na evil. Money fit kill person. Na so money fit save person. Like this one, this story wey I talk so, see wetin money turn to the woman to. Money make am experience death. Money make am sleep with mad woman. Still, e no still get the money. All the other thing wey she come still get for her life, she come lose everything. Wetin come be the meaning? Vanity upon vanity. Because why? I no know why some people now dem go dey, they go say, no, if I no get money, I no go become person. If I never reach where my mate dey reach, I no go rest. This money, I must get am by fire, by force. I fit use my life take get the money. I fit use what about if you can't get that money today? You no come fit stay enjoy the money. Let me tell you one thing. There is some people that God have already destined that you are going to have this money. But everybody have his own destination. Everybody have his own time. Everybody have his own time that God has destined for you, that you are going to be there. You may be God may destiny you that at the age of 40, you will start making money that people will not expect. God may destiny you that at the age of 10, 20, 30, that is how you will start achieving money. But because you see 10 years old is making it, 20 years is making it, you are 30 years, you haven't make it, then you want to run faster than your shadow. My dear sisters and brothers, mind advice to you that don't run more than your shadow. Don't because of money turn yourself to what you don't expect in life. I know that money is good and money is the root of evil. You understand? Money can lead you to where you never expect to be. Money can make your life money can frustrate your life. Sorry. Money can frustrate your life. Money can make you to do whatever you don't want to do. Money may mislead you. Money can mislead you. Money can make you do what you never think to do in life. Let me take it as example. See some of our sisters, what they are doing to their self just because of money. They sleep with all kind of men just because of money. Do you think they want to do that? They don't want to do that. But because they want to have this money, they want to belong, they do what they don't destiny to do. Wọ́n tí di bá bàjẹ́ tó nídìí ló máa dà. What about at the end of the day? You contact a sick for there, or you contact what you don't expect for there. Can that money that you are looking for solve that problem? So things is happening for us to learn. My dear sisters and brothers, I'm in love of money. I love money also. I want to become rich. I want to make it in life. I want to have money. But there is some kind of things I see in life. This story I'm telling you is a real story. It's not just a story. It's what I see. I don't just come to make a story just because I want to make a story. I always use what I see, what with my eye to make my story. I always pick experience out of it to make my story. So this story that I'm giving to you is not just by sitting down, by framing it. It's what I see with my hand. Then after seeing this thing, I learned something. I learned something from this. And I say, let me share with you people. Please, if you are looking for money, you have to take it easy. We all going to have this money. With what? With patience. With what? With patience, we will have this money. Money is not that you will run and forget all your life, just the name you want to have money. Please, my beautiful people, it's me, Lady J of Africa. If you really love this story, please, I want you to share with people you know. Comment, leave your comment, subscribe. Let me see subscription on my channel. And as you do so, God bless you. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.